Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn about the fabrication of triangular clasp. So the things that we require are marking pencil, Adam's plier, hard wire cutter, then a 21 gauge round stainless steel wire. So today we are going to learn its fabrication on premolars as it is fabricated over there. So we are going to mark marking where the triangle would rest, and it will follow the embrasure of the premolars and finally the palatal adaptation. So it will be a step-by-step demonstration. So let's begin with straightening of wire. So first step involves straightening of wire. We hold it in the base of the Adam's plier, and with the help of finger and thumb pressure we straighten up the wire. And at last we cut the ends of the wire to form a perfectly straight wire. Now the second step involves forming the triangle. For this we hold one end of the wire with the beak of the Adam's plier and give a more than 90-degree sharp bend. So this is one bend which is more than 90 degree, as you can see over here. Now holding at the second adjacent part, as you can see over here, and giving a sharp 90 degree, more than 90 degree bend, so it forms a triangle which we can compress to join. Now this is the triangle that we need to form in the second step. Now beginning with the third step, we hold this triangle in the beak of the Adam's plier and give another more than 90 degree bend. So this is the third step, which involves forming another triangle by holding the first triangle in the beak of the Adam's plier. So as you can see over here. Now the fourth step involves giving a more than 90 degree bend again to the bend that we have given in the third step, like this. So this is also a more than 90 degree bend. All the bends should be sharp, as you can see over here. So this completes our fourth step. Now we shall check the adaptation on the cast, and when we see the triangle, the beak of the triangle should rest between the embrasure or the triangle that we have marked over here, and the wire should be adapted to the embrasure. So now we are getting the perfectly adapted wire, and now we can go with the palatal adaptation. So now we will give a sharp bend for the palatal adaptation at the point that we have marked. So this completes our palatal adaptation, and now we can go ahead with the formation of the retentive tags. And now we can do some minor adjustments at the triangle, and so this completes our triangular clasp.